What's the rudest thing a guest has done at your house? When my son was around 8, he had made friends with a Russian boy. Just from the first few times I met him, I could instantly tell that something wasn't right. I don't know how to explain it, but the kid had devilish eyes with a nonchalant demeanor. He was never respectful during our encounters and would ignore me whenever he saw fit. Unfortunately, I didn't take the hints, and after a month of his and my son's friendship, I offered to host their playdate. Unsurprisingly, his mother was just as weird. She was blank, dry, and overall just a rude woman. The day of the playdate, I had picked up my son and the boy from school. After entering the car, he started complaining about the temperature being too hot. I apologized to him and turned up the AC only for him to complain about it being too cold. Again, I fixed the temperature. When we got back to our house, he walked right into the kitchen and helped himself to our pantry. The kid took out a pack of Oreos as well as 2 bags of chips, all for himself. I didn't say anything in hopes to not make him uncomfortable, but I was slowly losing my patience. An hour went by and I hadn't heard anything from either of the boys. They were in my son's room with the door shut. It was at this point that I decided to go and check on them. When I opened my son's door, I saw them both playing quietly. But not 2 seconds after he noticed my presence, he told me to get the F out of here, woman, in his 8-year-old voice.